So in this video, we're going to show you how to back up your trailer the right way, and hopefully the non-stressful way. So to get started, the first thing you want to do is you want to have your mirror set so this inside edge of the mirror is looking right on the edge of your quarter panel. We want to be able to see the top of the wheel and even sometimes right where the wheel is going, so we're not trying to go around and turn our head and look out the back window. Once there's a boat or there's a tall piece on your trailer, looking out the back isn't going to do you any good anyways. So now that we have our mirrors all set and we can see fully around the truck, the next thing we'll talk about is our steering wheel. Let's talk about how our steering wheel is going to affect the way our trailer is going to turn. If we want the trailer to go right, we're going to turn the steering wheel left into the counterclockwise direction. If we want the trailer to go left, we're going to turn the steering wheel right, clockwise. Use small inputs and go slow as to not make overcorrections. With that, let's get into a demonstration. All right, so what we're going to do now is we're going to back up a hard 90 to the left. We have to go out that way. So to do this, we're going to turn our wheel all the way to the right, and we're going to initiate our turn. Once we see the trailer start to respond to us, now we can slowly turn it out and then get ourselves at a good angle to take this turn. While we're doing this, we're continually checking our mirrors. The other thing we're going to do is you always want to keep a good eye on the nose of your vehicle. You don't want to be getting too close to anybody else. Now that's a big angle you want to watch out for here. If we kept going straight back while our trailer was doing that, we would have been in a great jackknife position. When you jackknife a trailer, it's when the trailer tongue is going to meet the bumper. And at this point, there's no more movement or articulation for the trailer, and it's just pushing up against your vehicle. We always want to avoid this. The best way to do this is to always have deliberate actions. Always move nice and slow. There's no reason to hit the gas while you're backing something up. So we'll continue taking this turn. And our truck is slowly chasing our trailer. And now we're faced in a way we want to go. Swap to drive, and then we can just drive out of it. All right, so now we're going to repeat that same process, except we're going to go out to the right. So what we're going to do is we're going to initiate our turn to the left. We're going to turn our steering wheel all the way counterclockwise. In my case, I need to leave it straight for just a little bit until I need to initiate my turn. Now we're just going to take it nice and slow, get our trailer at the proper angle, and now we're going to start chasing it back. Now if you chase it back too far, there's a chance that you cannot bring it back straight with the truck and you'll have to pull back forward and re-straighten. And then we'll chase the trailer back until we're nice and straight. Turn our wheel straight, and then we're good to go. All right, so that's gonna wrap up our trailer video here. Hopefully you feel more confident in backing up. Don't stress it. Don't let the people at the boat launch get you going. Good luck.